All right, let's cut through the fluff and get to the real ways a beginner can make money on Kraken without getting wrecked. Kraken ain't some magical money printer. You need mix of strategy, timing, and emotional control. Here's a solid beginner's roadmap. Step 1, know what Kraken actually is. Kraken is a crypto exchange, not a casino. It lets you buy, sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other pair trades, and you can trade them like stocks, spot, futures, like you see right in front of your screen, spot futures, and also margin, right? And you can stake crypto and earn passive income by clicking earn right here at the bottom right and start staking Bitcoin, or in most cases Ethereum. Okay, next, step 2, start simple, spot trading. Forget leverage for now. As a beginner, stick to spot trading. That means you are just buying crypto like BTC or ETH and holding it until it grows in value, right? Whether to do it from here, right? Selecting the spot and margin, for example, right here, and stop pressing right here, and then buy the Bitcoin, for example, and then make sure that you are in the spot trading, right? Before all that, create and verify your Kraken account, deposit fiat like USD, Euro, etc., depending on your currency, and buy major coin like BTC, ETH, or Solana, right? And hodl and sell later for a profit. Pro tip, use the buy limit feature to avoid buying at the peak, okay? So, step 3, use staking for passive income. Kraken offers staking, which means you lock up coins and earn rewards, kind of like crypto dividends, right? You can go ahead and click right here, earn at the bottom right, and see right here my total rewards by just simply staking, right? Good coins to stake: Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cardano, right? And you will earn 4% to 12% APR depending on the coin. Step 4, don't trade daily unless you're obsessed. Day trading looks cool on TikTok, but 90% of beginners lose money doing it. If you must, learn technical analysis, set stop losses, only trade with money you can afford to lose. Step 5, avoid these rookie mistakes. Don't invest in hype coins or meme tokens. Don't use margin or leverage early on. That's how you lose it all in a flash. And don't put your life savings in crypto. Be smart, not a gambler. Step 6, use tools inside Kraken, right? Like price alerts. Get notified when a coin hits a target price, right? And that basically, once you create your account and already have and set your own account, they will ask you to, if you want a notification, if you want notifications on, okay? So make sure that you allow Kraken to send you notifications, right? And they will tell you about the price alerts, recurring the buys, and all that stuff, okay? And the portfolio tracker, see how your bag's doing without stress, right? And this is like outside tip, but you could try crypto futures, right? Kraken has a future trading or futures trading, right? You can see it right in front of your screen next to the spot and margin, but it's spicy, like ghost pepper spicy. You can lose money fast if you don't know what you're doing. Master spot trading first. Final tip, treat it like a business. Track your profits and losses with emotional control. Understand the tax implications. It varies by country. And keep learning. Markets evolve and they basically refix itself or recess, right? Yeah, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.